It's Friday the 8th, I'm FX Plu and this is CurrencyTransfer.com's market update. The main headlines today are that the UK Brexit plan does not impress, the euro gains on QE hopes, and the dollar slows ahead of next week. So yesterday we finally saw the proposed solution from the UK about the Irish border following Brexit. The backstop plan, as it's been coined, would see the UK adopt EU tariffs in order to keep a soft border between North and Southern Ireland. This would remain in place longer than the stated transitionary period out to 2021, and it may even be extended further. Chief Negotiator Michel Barnier from the EU side, he'll be speaking on this later today, but some of the EU side have already labelled this plan as unworkable. The market was similarly unimpressed, but as traders are largely short of sterling already, further downside risk to sterling was fairly well protected, as this was not a big enough shock to push it dramatically lower. Cable touched 133.70 but closed actually 10 pips higher than they opened at 134.25. Euro dollar has got strong resistance to the upside at 118.20. This was tested yesterday and we did touch 118.40 briefly, but the move failed to hold, falling back under the resistance level before the close. The rumours of the ECB discussing an end to QE has slightly run out of steam for the euro, perhaps because the market has recognised there's a big distance between discussion and action. And don't forget, Draghi's stated position is for low interest rates and quantitative easing to continue as long as possible. So any reduction in QE may be far from guaranteed. Sterling euro was helped by the Brexit backstop. Reached 113.15 before sterling recovered towards the end of the day to close around 113.75. The euro is more likely to trade fairly flat now ahead of the ECB meeting next Thursday. Looking ahead to next week for the US, it's going to be about the economy, interest rates and Trump's foreign policy. The FOMC meeting is considered a guaranteed rate hike now, but the market will shift focus onto the prospects of more hikes to come before year end. Powell's comments will be scoured for clues to whether their current expectation is for one further hike or potentially for two before year end. And then we've got the US North Korea summit in Singapore. Who knows what will happen there, but when you put two crazies in a room together and add in a language barrier, it could be an interesting day for the support staff. We'll keep you posted should anything happen today. Otherwise, wish you a great weekend and we'll see you again on Monday.